Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look here at Fetch.AI, seeing what's going on. I obviously get a lot of requests for this one, so we'll just keep it up. And what we want to do is draw out some new fib levels here. Kind of see roughly what this is looking like. We could actually see a pullback here because, come to think of it, we do look like we have this ugly head and shoulders pattern here forming. So we could see that continue on. Honestly, we could see some lower lows or higher highs from here. We got to double check a few things first, but it's looking like we may be due for a little bit of a correction. So anyways, it's just a bumper sticker version of what we can see here. It's not exactly the case, but you always want to look at everything first, right? So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you do want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is a site, link down below. I offer a trading academy, community, and signals group. Had a phenomenal result here today with our trades. Really good results with AVAX. We took a solid % over the weekend. We hit that target in 3 days. Then we also had SEI, if I recall correctly, 37% on Thursday. Got it in and out in 3 hours. It's a nice little sweep there, folks. So congrats on that too. Taking a look here at Fetch, though, the question is we want to start trading this because this was just added to Bitunix exchange. So if you're not part of it, use my link down below to register so you can get some nice rewards. No KYC or VPN required, but Fetch.AI is tradable on that exchange as of today. So I'm getting the question, hey, do we want to trade this coin right now? In short, yeah, it's an awesome coin. I think it has tremendous potential. But at this point here, looking at the daily time frame, let's see if there's anything worthwhile. Okay, stochastic swinging down, no surprise, price is pulling back. That's kind of standard. RSI and money flow index all high over 70. That's bullish, but it's been bullish for a very long time, right? We've literally been above that level for, what is it? I think we even got a pivot right there. Since February 17th, we've been bullish for 3 weeks straight, okay? A little bit more than that, honestly. So that's a long time to be up in the clouds, okay? A lot of times you have to kind of resurface, come back down for air, if you will. So right now we're starting to see the MACD diverge and stochastic swinging down. It would make sense from an overall perspective of how overinflated this coin is to essentially be able to see that reset and the price pull back a little bit, okay? Again, that's just kind of what the macro is looking like. Is that a guarantee? No. We are still above all moving averages. We're still looking great. You can still be bullish in the price pullback, by the way. That's a very normal thing, okay? So here on the 4 hour, this is one of those confirming factors we can see. We're underneath 20 on the SMA. That's not like a sky is falling situation. It just implies we need to pay closer attention because we lost that initial bullish uptrend. Okay. Now you can still be below the 20-day SMA and bull flag out, right? We saw that previously. So last time this price broke out, did really good. However, we're not seeing any kind of patterns like that, and we're seeing other signs here as well with our second stochastic swing to the downside. RSI trending towards 50, money flow index below that, and traditional MACD here, or just MACD in general, pulling back as well. So we are starting to see a pretty significant shift here. We can also see this 0.618 level holding, but how long can it hold? We've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attempts on the 4 hour time frame to break through that level. Okay, now that can be notoriously a strong support, but the more times you test something, the more likely it is to break, right? So to me, it does feel like the price is willing to break down here. We're establishing lower highs and lower lows, and with us being below, some of those key levels on, just say traditional RSI, MACD, all those things, it's all combining to kind of tell us that the price is due for a correction. Now, if we take a look at the hourly, this could tell us something different, but no, it doesn't. It tells us that a short position is actually viable here. We got our most recent point of control here at about the 280 mark. Let's see if it changes. Pretty close, yeah. We're below that key level resistance. So the truth is, shorting this coin has much more success potential than taking it long right now. Same thing here as well with we can see the conversion line above the baseline, etc. Lagging span free and clear the price action. A lot of reasons why the coin should continue lower. Now, can it ramp back up? Absolutely. It could take off from here, right? But the truth is, until we get back up over the cloud, that's about 7 or 8% higher from here. We don't have a confirming factor to want to take it long, okay? So to me, when I have a lot of contributing factors on the 4 hour, daily looks overextended, and we also see this push down here to retest this 0.618 fib level consistently, I think we're more likely to break, and that will become the new resistance. So to me, 269 seems like a logical consideration for a short, potentially even up here closer to 278, 279. You never truly know, but generally speaking, we are breaking bearish on this coin, and I don't think the sky is going to fall tremendously. I don't think we're going to go super hard to the downside, but as you can see, there's not a tremendous amount of volume in this range here, okay? So that those areas can get filled. Let's take a quick look at liquidity. We do have a little bit of lower liquidity level sweep. Upper level 2 left remaining, don't get me wrong, but still see the price surge to the upside. There's not a lot of reasons here to show why the price action should continue up from here. Okay? The truth is, though, we are reaching an overextended state. Okay, so taking a short right now might be slightly premature, but I personally like to get a little skin in the game, and then of course maybe take another second entry closer to this resistance level up here in that range of about 270, 280. So again, different strokes for different folks, but at this point, Fetch.AI does look like it wants to progress lower. There's not a lot of reasons to consider a long, right? Again, more things are pointing down than up, and that's just the general consensus here. So, fault me if you will. you're a long-term hodler of this coin. You're mad that I'm telling it's going to go down. That's okay. It just means that you're not emotionally stable enough to trade, and that's probably not something you should be doing full time. Again, either way you look at it, this is one of those situations where you just got to be patient and wait and see. But a lot of reasons why the price will likely come down before it goes up again. Keep in mind, again, with us being overextended leading into the support level, we could very well see a pivot. Okay, could very well see a bounce, and if so, it would make sense for it to be a lower high and a lower low. We could even confirm that here with Elliott Wave. More likely to find our ABC pattern here complete itself. We're already halfway there. Okay, so again, just some things to kind of think about. Hope this made sense and I described this correctly. Make sure you check out Bitunix. You can trade Fetch.AI as of today on this exchange. Use my link down below for qualify for some nice benefit rewards. Again, no KYC or VPN required for them. They're awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.